Hello everyone, this is part 3 of my home gym build. In today's video, I'm going to share how I built these speaker boxes that will go up on my basement ceiling. I have got 12 speakers that are part of 70 volt amp from RockVille. I am building a 3-zone system. Each zone has 4 speakers and a dedicated volume control is installed on a wall. The gym area is one of the zones. Since I have exposed ceilings, I didn't want to install open speakers as it would have caused unnecessary vibrations and loss of quality. I built these wooden boxes that produce deep bass while generating a quality sound output. Please watch this video to the end as I am going to play some music on these speakers. So let's get started. My speaker boxes are going to be 8 inches deep with 12 inches square top. I started by cutting 8-inch wide lumber on my miter saw. Then I started assembling the speaker walls. The entire speaker is going to be hidden between the ceiling joists, so I'm not too worried about joints in there. If you want, you can cut the miter corners for a clean looking box. I'm using 2-inch brad nails with a combination of wood glue to avoid any loose joints. Loose joints will produce unnecessary vibrations with a decrease in music quality. Now I'm preparing for the base of the box. I'm using 3/4 of an inch thick MDF board for this. The base has to be thick as this part will hold the speaker. The thick material won't cause vibrations and will produce deep bass. Again, I'm making sure that there are no loose areas that may produce vibrations. So, here are all the 12 boxes that I just built. These are going to be part of 3-zone music system in my basement. Oops, I lost recording where I covered the other end of the box with MDF sheet. Here, I'm marking the center of the base. I created a hole cutting jig for my router. It is very basic. It's just a sheet of plywood and some holes. If you are interested in knowing about it, please comment and I'll create a video for you all. I'm screwing the jig to the marked center. Started the router, pressing it down to go half the depth of the board for the first pass. The jig helped me in cutting a perfect circular opening for my speakers. After the first pass, blow away or vacuum the sawdust as the second pass won't be as smooth as the first one. Now, make the second pass while pressing the router to the board's full depth. And here you go, with a clean speaker opening. These speaker boxes are going to be installed in my basement's ceiling, which is all painted matte black. To match with the ceiling, I'm painting all the boxes with flat black paint. Only the base part will be visible through the joists, and then all my speakers have black rim and mesh cover on it. I tested one of the speaker boxes and noticed some vibrations and a kind of hollowness to it. So here I am with R13 insulation. I'm cutting it to the inner size of the boxes. This should help in dampening any unnecessary vibrations and get a deeper bass. I'm simply gluing the insulation pieces to the top of the boxes inside. Here it is after all the speaker boxes installed in the ceiling.